Best Ome TV Extensions 2023. Hi guys, in this video you'll be learning about the extensions in Ome TV that is very recommended or it's very useful when using this platform. So let's go ahead and open your web browser and just go to Ome TV or ome.tv. And then from here, what we will do is go to a new tab and then just simply search for video chat extension, IP locator for Omegle. You just need to add this to Chrome and add this to your extension so that you will be able to use video chat extension when using Ome TV. So once, as you can see, I already have it as an extension here at my Ome TV account. So what I'll do here is go to Manage Extensions. That is on the Google settings, or you can simply search it. And then make sure that you allow this extension for incognito tab. So once that's toggled on, you can go back to Ome TV and refresh the website. You'll be able to see, you can click on this jigsaw puzzle icon, and that's where you'll be able to find the manage extensions as well. And you just need to allow your microphone and camera usage for Ome TV to access, and you can go to settings, and this is where you can definitely personalize your interaction here with Ome TV. You can either hide the logo, you can have hide camera, dark mode, hide banner. There's a lot of information, whether it's from interface or the control panel. You also have the automation, wherein you can skip when it's long loading, and then it can auto resume, you can auto skip wrong country. You have a lot of options. You can even specify the location. So if you want to have a specific language for the persons or the people that you will be encountering here at Ome TV, you can definitely do that. And you can even set up here the auto skip for a certain region or country. And there's a lot more. You can have gender recognition, wherein you can skip men or you can skip women depending on what you like. So you can also have auto ban or skip by gender. So here you have blacklist if you want, or if you do not want to receive interactions from a mobile phone, you can definitely do so. You have streamers mode and a lot more. So there's definitely a lot of information here, a lot of things that you can personalize, especially when using Ome TV. And this would ensure who the people you will be interacting with this platform. And that's basically it. So that's the best Ome TV extension for 2023. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!